안녕하세요, I'm Chef David. Today we are going to do KFC. No, it's not that KFC, it's Korean fried chicken. Okay, all the chicken has been cut, as you can see, to smaller pieces, bite size. We are going to add salt, pepper. We are marinating the chicken right now. The egg, then the powder. Okay, make sure that the chicken is evenly coated. So you're going to just let it sit for a while. Now the oil has been heating for a while. We're going to double fry this chicken. And when you do a second fry, this oil has got to be really hot. Okay, as you can see, it's already lightly brown. You can remove it, let it rest while we cook the yum yum sauce. Okay, right now we are going to do the yum yum sauce. Add a little bit of oil, fry the garlic. You just need to fry the garlic until fragrant. Now you're going to add the tomato ketchup, soy sauce, sugar, oligosaccharide, or if you don't have this, you can replace it with honey. Okay, just mix it. This is the Korean chili paste. Okay, now I'm going to add this in. Last but not least, the sesame seed. So this is your yum yum chicken wing or KFC, Korean fried chicken. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.